Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to create consistent AI characters in Krea AI, even if you've never used the platform before. First, open the Krea AI website and log in using your Google account or email address. If you don't have an account yet, simply click Sign Up, create your free account, and then sign in. After logging in, you'll land on the Krea dashboard. From here, open the Images section and choose the AI image generation tool. Now let's create our base character. Write a detailed prompt instead of something simple. For example, a 25-year-old man with short black hair, blue hoodie, friendly smile, realistic face, cinematic lighting, ultra detailed, looking at the camera. The more specific your description is, the easier it becomes for Krea AI to keep your character consistent. Generate your image and choose the version you like the most. Now here's the trick that many beginners don't know. Use that generated image as your reference image or character reference whenever you create new images. This tells Krea AI to preserve the same face, hairstyle, and overall appearance while allowing you to change the background, outfit, pose, or camera angle. For example, you can place the same character in an office, on a beach, inside a futuristic city, or even wearing different clothes, all while keeping the face recognizable. If your results start changing too much, make sure you're using the same reference image and avoid making major changes to your character description. Keep the core details identical and only modify the scene or action. This simple workflow gives you much more consistent results and is perfect for YouTube storytelling, AI influencers, comics, advertisements, and brand mascots. And that's how you can create consistent characters in Krea AI with just a few simple steps.